Hello and welcome to the first session of Typemill, and today I want to show you how you can build your own private ChatGPT archive with a new plugin for Typemill. Typemill is a small flat file content management system, very lightweight, and you can especially use it for documentation, manuals, handbooks and stuff like that. So let's switch to the user interface of Typemill. I deleted most content because I want to import the content from ChatGPT now. And for that, you only need the plugin called ChatGPT Archive. You can download that at the plugin page and then just activate it. And if you refresh the page, then you will see another menu option here called ChatGPT Archive. And here you see only a field where you can upload your archives that you can download from your ChatGPT account. It's a big zip file. So this is my ChatGPT archive. It's more than 30 megabyte and about 800 chats that I have produced within the last 3 years. And I will just open it, and what the plugin does, it reads the conversations that are stored in that archive, and then it lists all your chats here, down here. And now you can select individual chats, or what I will do now, I will simply select all chats because I want to import all of them. Click on select all, of course. I have selected everything now. You can go with the pages through all your chats, deselect some, whatever you want, but to make it easy, I want to import everything because I can delete it anyway in Typemill later. So down here you have several options. You can choose a storage location. I will choose the root folder. If you want to separate your ChatGPT archive from your other content, then you can also store it in a dedicated ChatGPT archive folder. So usually I use the root folder. And then you have two other options, the storage mode. You can either select chronological, and then it will store all your chats into chronological folders by date. For me, that doesn't make much sense right now. I want to store it by topics and order it already a little bit. If you choose it, you can find here a lot of suggestions for folder names, and you can also remove them or sort them a little bit. Let's check. So update doesn't make sense, fix doesn't make sense, and integration doesn't make sense, review doesn't make sense, error doesn't make sense. But the error I can't delete right now. The reason is that you need a minimal number of folders, because Typemill can only store 100 files into one folder. That's why when I have 800 chats, I have a minimum number of folders that I have to create. So let's use some other folder names. I will use Python is a good folder. Linux is a good folder. RP is pretty cool. I did a lot about Git, and everything that's related to Docker should be in a separate folder. So I'm ready now. You can, of course, add more keywords here, but let's keep it like this. And now I will create some markdown files. I will simply click on this chat. As you can see, it's very, very fast, and it will store and convert all my chats into markdown. And now he's ready. You can see that you cannot choose your chats anymore, and here's a hint that the page is created. If you want to do it again, you can reset all your chats, but make sure that you don't duplicate all your content. So let's look what we have. All my chats are now stored into all these folders. And let's take a look into a chat. This is about view. Here's my prompt. I added a lot of code here. Okay, that might not be so super useful. If you want to make it more useful, you can also open this into IE interface of Typemill. You can connect this IE interface with ChatGPT or Claude right now, and then you can, for example, create summaries. Now here you have a selection of prompts, so you can enter your prompt manually here and just send it and create a summary. Or you can create your own prompts into the prompt library, and then use these prompts directly below here. And this way you can create your own documentation from your prompts, your knowledge base, or whatever you want, sort it. And so if you are happy with your archive, you can just go to the folders and publish them here. I will just publish some folders because pages are already published, but if your folder is not published, they are not available on the front end. So let's do it like this. I just published some folders just to check in the front end, and now you have everything in your front end. You can search. The search will filter your results by folder, so everything is super handy. Just try it out. Everything is open source. You don't have to pay for anything. Typemill, you can install it very easily on your own Apache server. It's similar to WordPress, but it does not rely on a database, so it's even easier. And yeah, you can install the plugin very easily. Just put it into the plugin folder and you are done. Yeah, give it a try. I hope you like it.